So stop loss is 2 handles. So we're only risking $100. So taking this trade here would take me at negative $100 on the day. But we're already predisposing that non-farm payroll is going to make majority of our money the week after that, right? So if I take one trade, let's take it 10 handles. This would quadruple this loss right here, maybe even more depending on if I use multiple contracts rather than one. So once we trade to the internal buy side here, that would automatically make me put my stop loss to break even, okay? So once again, only one contract. Okay, stop loss or risk is now relatively removed. And I'm managing it this way, most importantly, on the day prior to non-farm payroll, okay? Because on a normal day, okay, boom, long here, one more contract here, I would be adding one right here. But because it's the day before non-farm payroll, you don't want to do that. You don't want to push more leverage than you need to on a day prior. Okay, not to say you can't trade it, because obviously I'm doing that here. But you want to keep the risk minimal. Okay, you want to keep the leverage minimal. And whether that's how you if that means you have to drop down to the micros, that's fine. Nothing wrong with that. Max, yes, pretty much. So entry exactly at the low here, right? So if we take a look here, I'm just go ahead and annotate that just to make it look cool, right? Whoa. There we go. So me trading Turtle Soup on live right here is more than Romeo ever did in his entire career. There was a post doing the math, and yeah, never mind. I'm not even gonna keep talking about that. Yeah, he probably has a good amount of stock puppet accounts. I don't doubt it. Probably talking to himself in the comments. Alright, let's check on Nasdaq here. So Nasdaq took the relative equal lows there, right? This imbalance here, this will be a reasonable entry. So if you kind of got in late to the party here, this is where I'd enter. And then I wouldn't put the take profit anywhere up here. Okay, I'd just put it like right at this consolidation here. That's what I would do if I was trading Nasdaq as of right now. So I like everything I'm seeing here. And we're just gonna submit to it. So once again, entry was exactly piercing this low here. Okay, stop loss was initially at that 5 handles, but now risk is relatively removed with the given expansion we have. Alright, there we go. Go take a look at NASDAQ and look at that expansion that just took place. That's what you wanted to see. And once again, my take profit, if I were trading NASDAQ, I would just put it right at 18,523. Alright, I wouldn't try to go for anything crazy there. So from the call out, that your entry could have been 18,498, and take profit would be, yeah, just around 30 handles. So once again, if you were late to the party, this right here would have been kind of the last opportunity to get in right here at this 1 minute imbalance. Okay, that's where I'll be entering if I didn't enter right here. And honestly, I'm even going to trail my sell limit down, okay, because I don't even need all that. So take profit on NASDAQ incoming. So stop loss get raised one more time right here. Okay, so risk is removed. Okay, here's that internal buy side incoming. That's where I'll tell you to take a partial. If for those that are using multiple contracts, now that's your business, but I would not be pushing multiple contracts here. But if you are, definitely make it only 2. Okay. Alright, there's the, let me see, let me check NASDAQ. So, yeah, beautiful. Didn't quite pierce that internal buy side yet, okay? Just matched the very high of that consolidation here. patiently waiting. So initially I was going to aim for new week opening gap high, but I'm realizing that this here is more than enough. And, you know, it's 11:43 a.m. Still don't think it was able to pierce that high just yet. Just ever slightly matched it there. So just watch this small little tiny inefficiency right here. Just one handle shy. There's that internal high pierced. Come on. So looking at NASDAQ here, remember I said 18,523. We are one tick shy of that, and traded off exactly one tick from 18,523. Very convenient here. So like I said, I really could be holding for higher targets, but like I said, this here is more than enough, alright? Especially on the day prior to non-farm payroll. Alright, so there's full take profit on NASDAQ there. Just waiting for ES to follow suit. Alright, here we go. So this trade right here more than triples our prior transaction. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and close this out, and I'll see you guys for non-farm payroll. Alright, and then here's the execution on that. Okay, so that first short there in profit, boom. Longed here, stop out, boom. And then this here triples, more than triples the prior transaction. So literally a perfect depiction of a turtle soup entry.